What's up guys? We have been testing many budget projectors on our channel Tech Brothers, and most of them have Wi-Fi support. It is a useful feature to quickly connect your smartphone and watch social media or YouTube on a big screen. However, in my experience, I rarely use the screen mirroring function because I cannot use the smartphone when it is connected to the projector. I usually connect a TV stick to the projector so I can watch Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube and other streaming services, while my smartphone is free for messages or calls. So if you don't need Wi-Fi, why should you overpay for it? In this video, I'm going to tell you about one of the most affordable Full HD projectors on the market. I think it is cheaper than its competitors, because it doesn't have Wi-Fi support. From other side, the projector has Bluetooth support, so you can connect headphones or external speakers to it. The name of the new projector is HOMPOW S10. It is only $69 on Amazon. I will leave the link in the description under this video. Let's take a closer look at this projector and start by unboxing it. There is only HOMPOW logo on the front of the box, but we can also see the model C10 on the side. Inside the box we have the projector in a protective bubble bag, as well as a box with some useful items such as remote control, HDMI cable, audio cable, power cable, kickstand, napkin, and user manual. This is an ultra-budget projector, so a tripod or a projector screen are not included. When it comes to the design of the projector, first it has a nice rounded shape. The body is made of white plastic, while the front looks like a metal mesh. However, it is also plastic. There is only a lens on the front. On the back we can see audio jack, AV port, HDMI port, two USB ports, IR receiver, speaker and air intake. The air outlet is on the left side. The power connector is on the right side. HOMPOW S10 projector also has a focus adjustment and Keystone correction wheels on the top. Among the control buttons are power on-off, navigation and a key. However, it is more convenient to use the remote control. It is made of cheap plastic, but it works very well. If you look at the bottom, there are 4 rubber feet, a tripod mount and a kickstand mount. As you can see, the HOMPOW projector is quite compact. Its size is 210 by 180 by 85 mm. The weight is 2590 grams. However, it doesn't have a built-in battery, so it is not actually portable. You need to find a power outlet to use the projector outdoors. Okay, now let's turn on the HOMPOW S10 projector and look at the multimedia system. I can already see that the projector has clear image. However, we will talk about the projection quality a little later. So on the homepage, we can select a signal source such as AV or HDMI. There are also movie, music and photo sections, but you can access them when you connect an external storage device such as USB flash drive. In the surprise section is warranty, new item test and VIP customer group. If you have any questions about using the projector, you can go to support and find the manufacturer's contacts. Finally, we can go to the settings menu from the homepage. Let's take a look at the settings of the HOMPOW S10 projector. First, we can change the language of the system. There is also Restore Factory Default option, Blending, OSD Duration, and Software Update. The picture settings have a picture mode, color temperature, aspect ratio, noise reduction, projection direction, and reduce display size. In the sound settings, we can change the sound mode, balance, audio volume, and Bluetooth connection. Finally, you can set a sleep timer on the HOMPOW S10 projector. Okay, now let's go back to the Bluetooth connection and see how to connect a Bluetooth device. The Bluetooth connection has 3 modes, such as off, audio, and static. I will select a static mode and click on Search device. Wait a little and select your Bluetooth device. In my case, this is a small Bluetooth speaker, so if you want to watch movie alone, you can connect headphones. To use the projector in a large room, you can connect the external speaker or sound bar. However, for a small room, the built-in speaker should be enough. You can listen to some audio samples now. By the way, the projector has a built-in fan for cooling. You can hear the fan noise in a quiet room. It is about 51 decibels near projector and 44 decibels at a distance of 1 meter. However, when you are watching a movie, the fan is almost inaudible. That's very good. HOMPOW C10 is one of the most affordable Full HD projectors on the market, and I do believe it has a native 1080p resolution because the image is clear. Even at the edges and corners, the picture is not blurred. By the way, the projector also has a good throw ratio. I have placed it at about 2.5 meters away from the wall, and my screen size is about 80 inches. The maximum screen size of HOMPOW C10 projector is 200 inches at a distance of 5 meters. To be honest, I am very surprised by the image quality of this projector. The colors are rich, thanks to 95% of NTSC color coverage. The brightness is enough for watching dark movies. The manufacturer also claims that HOMPOW C10 projector uses anti-blue light technology to protect children's eyes. I would also like to remind you that this is an LCD projector with LED bulb. The lamp life is about 50,000 hours, so the projector can last for 34 years with 4 hours of viewing per day.
I may resist for a while, but we both know eventually I'll give in. So why don't we just skip that? Playing for baby and me.
It didn't even matter. Here's Hurts. Third down, A.J. Brown wide open. First down and more. Cuts inside the 30. Gets a block and he's inside the 20. With 15 seconds to go in the half. Crazy wants a hunt. I'll give him what he'll never forget.
The new light version is the company's newest product, released in summer of 2023. You know, I will not compare EMLab color before. It looks very nice, doesn't it? By the way, there are red inserts, not only on the main body, but also on the telescopic tube and floor brush. Another interesting detail in design of the future. I already said that the projector has good brightness, namely 9500 lumens, so it can be used in a room with light.
George, remember, came back from that really gruesome. George keeps attacking. What a look. Here, I want to take another look at this. Flashing his handles here. Or late first half now. George keeps attacking. What a look. Here, I want to take another look at this. George keeps attacking. What a look here. I want to take another look at this. Flashing his handles here.
So the lack of a Wi-Fi connection is not a problem for me. It is a useful feature, but I don't really use it much. It is better to connect a TV stick to the projector and watch streaming services, or connect a game console and play games. HOMPOW C10 projector has excellent image quality for its price of $67. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!